Okay, children. Now, shall we move on to our next page? That is page number 4. And our topic is top, bottom. We are discussing about top, bottom. Top, bottom. Top, bottom. ऊपर, नीचे. See, in the first picture you can see a tree and there is a monkey on top of the tree. Can you see? And the boy is standing at the bottom of the tree. And here you can see a cat sitting on top of the house and dog is sitting at the bottom of the house. And here a flag on top and a ball on at the bottom. And here a bird on top and a squirrel at the bottom. And here a girl at the top and the boy at the bottom. And here also a girl on the top and a cat at the bottom. So in this picture what you have to do, take the object on top and cross the object at the bottom. So here you will tick monkey and cross the boy. And here you will tick the cat and cross dog. And here you will tick the flag and cross the ball. Then this side you will do it by yourself. Okay. Now next page, it is page number 5. Topic is on, under. On, under. On, under. Same ऊपर नीचे. On, under. On, under. On, under. See, you can see a pan on the table and a cat sitting under the table, a notebook on the desk and a bag under the desk, and a cat sitting on the roof and a dog sitting under the roof, a doll on the table, a ball under the table, a computer on the table and a UPS under the table. You can see a cup saucer on the table and newspaper under the table. So here what you have to do is color green the object which is on and color blue the object which is under. First one is done for you. See here you can see this one is done for you. It's already done. Now you have to do this. That is book. You color book in green and bag in blue. And here cat in green and dog in blue. Here also same. You will do it by yourself. Now in our page number 6 you can see inside, outside. Inside, outside. Now where are you? You all are at home, inside your home. Nobody is going outside. Here you can see a lion sitting inside the cage and a girl outside the cage. And you can see a car inside the garage and a man outside. Here you can see a girl inside the ring and a boy outside. Here a man inside the tent and a camel outside. Here you can see a parrot inside the cage and a boy outside. You can see books inside the bag and a water bottle outside. Now what you have to do is you should tick the object inside and cross the object outside. See, you will tick here the lion and car, girl, here man, parrot, books, and crows, girl, man, boy, camel, boy, and water bottle. Now here the topic is above, below. Above, below, above, below, same, upar niche, upar niche. See, you can see this is the house. This is Nikhil's house. You can see whose house is this? Nikhil. This is Nikhil, I think. This is Nikhil's house. What is he doing? He is flying his kite. Okay. So, an aeroplane is flying above the roof level. You can see the aeroplane above the roof level. This is the roof of the house. You can see above, upar. Aeroplane is flying. And a bird also is here now. And kite also above the roof level. What are the things below the roof level? Roof level ke niche. The boy, Nikhil, dog, a car, and a hose. Yes, a hose is tied below the roof level. You can see the hose tied here on the tree, that is below the roof level. So here you are getting an opportunity to color. You can color the things. See, color green all the object above the roof level. Roof level के ऊपर का सारे object you are coloring, giving green color, and the things below you are coloring brown. You are giving brown color to the boy, dog, car, and the hose. So you might be thinking why you are not giving color to this owl, because the owl is on same level. It is not above, not below, it is on the same level. So we are not coloring the owl. We are coloring green to these objects and we are giving brown color to these objects. Now page number 9, activity worksheet. We are doing activity worksheet. We have completed the lesson. So we are doing the activity sheet. So we will check here. First question is color blue the bigger and red the smaller object. Color blue, bigger. Here doll is the big one and red rose is the small. So you color blue and red. Now second, color the object on top. Color blue. You give blue color to the object which is on top, and color the object, color red. You color red the object which is at the bottom. Blue, red, same. Now take the right ear and cross the left ear. Yes, this is the picture. In this you can see right ear and left ear. This is the right ear and left ear. So tick the right ear and cross the left ear. Now color the object on the right and color pink the object on the right and blue the object on the left. Color pink the object on the right. This girl's right side is this. You can see one cat is sitting. You will give pink color to this cat and blue color to the dog. Right, left. You also see right, left. Now number 4, cross the biggest and tick the smallest object. Car, bus and ball. Okay, one lock also is there. Which is the biggest one? Bus. You will cross the bus and tick the smallest. This is lock. Now tick the object on the table and cross the object under the table. So tick the object on the table and cross the object under the table. So with this we are finishing our first lesson. It was very easy. We have discussed about up, down, bigger, smaller, biggest, smallest, right, left, and so on. I think it's clear to everybody, isn't it?